Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. I'm fine. How are you? How are you? Okay. I'm fine, Riddhi. How are you? Tell me, how are you, Devashmita, Riddhi, and others? Yes, good afternoon, Ashmi. So, welcome to your class 2 science class. So, have you prepared yourself for the exam? Yes, we all bored in our home, but nothing to do because nowadays we have to maintain the safety for all, right? Yes. So, tell me, have you prepared yourself for your exam? Yes. Okay. So, have you any problem? Anything that you want to know or you didn't understand? Is that anything? Okay, no problem. So, from the 8th chapter, we have to revise again. Food for good health. Ashmi, you will get the date from the school. Okay, school will let you know that about that project submission date, and you will get that. Okay. Okay, everyone. So let's start. Deboshmita, check the school website for routine. They are already given in the website. You can check the date of exam. So let's start with food for good health. So in this chapter we learn that how we can maintain the food for our good health and how we can maintain the diet, the balanced diet, right? So let me know first that which food are energy giving food. Give example. Energy giving food. Give some example. Which food are energy giving food and which food we take to get energy. That's our energy giving food. Yes, rice, sugar, and others. Give some example. Yes, potato, wheat, cheese, butter. Very good. So rice, wheat, potatoes, butter, cheese and sugar are energy giving foods. Are energy giving foods. Yes, very good. Very good, everyone. Indrakshi, Debopriya, Liza, Ashmi, Debashmita, Ayush, Riddhi. Very good. So, why we need energy? Why we need energy? Yes, very good, Aradhya. Why we need energy? Yes, we need energy to walk and play. Very good, Deboshmita. Indrakshi, Ayush. So we need energy to work, play and think. Very good. Very good. So now tell me that against which thing the food helps us to fight? Against which things food helps us to fight? Yes, against disease. Against disease. Food helps us to fight. Yes, very good. Not protective food, Siddhi. I asked about that against which thing. Against, that means I am fight against anything. That is the our opposite, opposition. That is called the against. So food helps us to fight against disease. Okay? Yes. Next question is, bodybuilding foods helps us to build our which things? Dash and dash. Bodybuilding food helps us to build our dash and dash. You have to fill the blanks. Yes. Very good, Ayush, Ashmi, Lisa, Debosmita. Bones and muscles. Debosmita, check your spelling of muscles. Your spelling muscles is wrong. That M-U-S-C-L-E-S, muscles. Okay? Yes. So bones and muscles. Food helps us. Bodybuilding food helps us to build our bones and muscles. So what are protective foods? What are protective foods? Or which foods are called protective foods? Very good, Ashmi, Debosmita. Arpon, Lisa, very good. Fruit and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables, very good. Fruits and vegetables are called protective foods. Give some example of bodybuilding foods. Give some example of bodybuilding food. Meat, fish. Okay. Milk, eggs, pulses. Okay. So meat, fish, milk, eggs, pulses, those are all bodybuilding foods. Okay. Next questions, how many water we should drink every day? How many water we should drink every day? Yes. 6 to 8 glasses. 6 to 8, not 8 to 10. It's 6 to 8. 6 to 8 glasses water we should drink every day. Which vegetables we can eat in raw? Very good. Which vegetables we can eat in raw? Yes. Is it only carrot? Not others vegetables we can eat in raw? Yes. Pea, tomato, radish and onion we can also eat in raw. Potato we can't eat in raw, Arpan. How we can eat potato raw? We can't eat it. Tomato, peas, onion, radish and fresh fruits also we can eat in raw. Yes. Now tell me that yes, very good everyone. Now tell me the name of 3 gases which is present in the air. Name of 3 gases which is present in the air. Name of 3 gases. Very good, Riddhi. Ashmi, write here 3 gases. Debashmita, 3 gas. You write here only one. It's oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen. Riddhi, write here. Yes, oxygen, carbon dioxide. You have to write carbon dioxide. Indrakshi, carbon is not gas. Carbon dioxide is a gas, not only carbon. Okay, Indrakshi, correct your answer please. Hurry up. Carbon dioxide, oxygen and nitrogen. Okay everyone, now go to the next questions. Yes, very good. Now it's correct, Indrakshi. Very good, Debopriya, Arpon, Lisa and others, everyone, very good. What is storm? What is storm? What is storm? Very good. Very strong wind is called storm. Very strong wind is called storm. Very good. Fast wind is called storm. Very good. Okay. Very good. Ashmi, Arpon, Riddhi, Ayush, Deboshmita, very good. What is the gaseous form of water? What is the gaseous form of water? Very good, Ashmi. It's strom, Lisa, not stroma. It's strom, S-T-R-O-M-E, strom. Sorry, S-T-O-R-M, storm, S-T-O-R-M. Debopriya, its spelling is S-T-O-R-M. Yes, it's water vapor. Water vapor is the gaseous form of water. Water vapor is the gaseous form of water. Okay. Very good everyone. So, You all read those chapters very attentively. Very good. One thing, that when the water drops freeze in the cloud itself, then what is called when they fall down? When the water drops freeze in the cloud itself, when they fall down, what is called? After freeze down, it will not be rain. No. Listen my questions at first. When water drops freeze in the cloud, freeze in the cloud itself, and they fall down as, very good Ashmi, Arpan, it's snow. How it could be rain when it will be freeze? You know now what water when freeze it became ice, then it almost freeze in the cloud itself, then it will be snow. It will be snow, not rain, Lisa, it is snow. Okay, very good. Who gave the answer? Snow. And very bad who gave the answer? It's rain, because you know the rain when it's freeze it becomes snow and eat the cloud, that then they fall down as snow. Okay. Okay everyone, so read your chapters very attentively before your exam, and best wishes all of you to give the good exam. And if you have any problem, you can ask me chat box of ePortal. Okay, so who are present in the class, please write here P. That's all for today.